Welcome back to WCDC Art. For this easy project, you'll need oil pastels, chipboard or cardboard, black acrylic paint, a paintbrush, and a popsicle stick. Our first step is to cover the entire surface with oil pastel. So you can use any colors you want in any different patterns. I'm going to go in a circular pattern where I'm going to start with yellow in the center and then work my way out in different colors. You just want to make sure that you don't leave any white surface, and when you're using oil pastels, you want to make sure that you're pressing down firmly enough to cover every white piece that's still remaining of your surface. So after our entire surface is covered in oil pastel, we can take our black acrylic paint and a paintbrush and apply a nice even coat on top of our surface. You want to make sure that you don't leave any color behind. You want to make sure that you cover everything with black in a nice even coat. When the paint is dry, you can then take your popsicle stick and start scratching in your name or a little message and watch all the oil pastel underneath appear. Thanks for watching WCDC Art.